guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making French toast. And you guys know I made this channel so that I can show you kids at home how to bake and cook and all that stuff. So let's get right into it. You are going to have one egg, just one, a little milk, just like that much. Pour it into there. Then you are going to take a splash, not even a tap. You're just gonna take a splash of vanilla and just take a little cinnamon, just do that, okay? Like that much. Then you're gonna mix it. Make sure you get that egg yolk cracked. And you can use a fork if you have to, but it would be better if you just use a whisk. But if you don't have it, of course you can use a fork. Okay, and you're gonna have your thing ready on medium heat, or 5, for instance. If you don't have medium heat, put it on 5, 4.5, something like that. Okay, that should be good. So I'm actually just gonna pop that in there so I don't get the counter all messy. Then you're gonna take your bread and just bring it over here. You're gonna spray your pan with some oil, any type is fine. We just got coconut oil. Just a spritz, and then you're gonna dunk it. Fun part is where you get to have a messy hands and not messy hands. But hey, you can also use a fork for this, the fork that you use for it. You don't have to use your hands. Okay, then we're just gonna. Okay. Then you take a spatula. A spatula. And SpongeBob, if you know. You can hear it, the sizzle, the sizzle. Yeah, French toast is a really good thing to make on maybe if you want brunch or it's a breakfast delicacy, I'll tell you that. If you never had it, you've got to try this stuff. That's amazing. And whoa, our egg's doing something weird over here. Yeah, you can hear the sizzle. You can see the bubbles start to form. Yeah, it's not done yet. But it's really quick to make and easy too. That's what we're all about here. When you flip it, you want it to be golden brown like this. You can also use a griddle, but see, it's golden brown. And so, yeah. Ooh. And you can see, it's French toast is a piece of bread with eggs and cinnamon. Cinnamon egg toast. Or you can even use nutmeg if you wanted. Sugar, any type of this. I don't know. I don't think it's done, but I'm just gonna check. Either I'm a bad flipper or this spatula is a bad flipper. There we go. Oh, yeah, that's done. Okay, now we're gonna get a plate. Plop these things on. You're gonna get a plate and plop it on. Then you're gonna take the other one and really drench it this time. Last time we didn't get it. Whoa, look, we used the rest of it. Okay, I'm just gonna. That one went crazy. I think that one's gonna have to be a little jiggy. Ooh. Now it's time to try it. Delicious.